Get to know a great parenting tool for all parents, which will keep you always close to each other, the NINO Baby Carrier. It is delivered in a handy cardboard box. We can easily fold and unfold it, and we can be sure that we can take it with us everywhere. Now the carrier is ready for use right away. Let's begin. We put the baby carrier on our hips. Side clasps should be fastened. We adjust and fasten. Okay, now it's time for our little one. You hug the baby to the chest. Keep the baby's legs apart and cover his or her back with the carrier's back panel. Remember to keep the baby in a comfortable, natural position. Now, hugging the baby with one hand, put on the arm straps on the shoulders with the other one. Use your hands alternately so that you are always holding your child with one hand. Use both hands to fasten the straps at the back. Keep the baby's legs apart. They should hang down behind the hip belt, arranged in the shape of letter M. Depending on the need, we stretch the shoulder straps, pulling the straps on the sides until the baby is well positioned in the carrier. Take care not to hold the legs too tightly. Make sure that the baby is comfortable. Remember to watch your baby's position and to check that his or her head is not pressed against the chest and his or her mouth and nose are not covered. If you need to reach for something, do not bend down. It's better to crouch. Avoid drinking hot liquids, cooking, running, jumping or skiing. When it's time to take the baby out, carefully take off the carrier. Unlock the belts while hugging the baby and pull them off one by one. Now you can safely put the baby down. Okay, baby safely taken care of, we unfasten the buckle of the hip belt and take off the baby carrier. Now we can fold it comfortably. If your baby is more than 6 months old, you can wear it on the back. When placing a child in a baby carrier, ask for help from a second person. Always remember to take precautions. Check that the baby is not tucked in too tightly and the mouth and nose are not covered. Fasten the belt across the chest. We adjust the shoulder straps so that the baby stays in a comfortable position and safely rests on our back. Do not bend down, always crouch instead. No matter if your baby is carried on the front or on the back, with this carrier, every journey will be a cool and safe adventure, like from a dream.